ဒီဗီဒီယိုမှာကျွန်တော်တို့နေ့စဉ်ပြောနေကြစကားလုံးအသုံးအနှုန်းတွေကိုအင်္ဂလိပ်လိုမှန်မှန်ကန်ကန်ဘယ်လိုသုံးမလဲအတန်ထွက်ပြီးပြီးသားသားဘယ်လိုပြောထည့်မလဲဆိုတာကိုလက်တွေ့လေ့ကျင့်ခန်းလေးတွေနဲ့ပြောပြတော့ပါမယ်အချိန်နဲ့ငယ်ပြီးပြီးတူလေ့လာကြည့်အောင် My mother has a car. My mother has a car. My mother has a car. ဒီဝကြကရိုးရိုးဝကြ subject verb object ပုံစံနဲ့ဖော်ပြရဖြစ်တယ် I want camera. I want camera. I want camera. Do you know some good shop? Do you know some good shop? Do you go? Do ya လို့လည်းသုံးနိုင်တယ်လို့ Do you လို့လည်းသုံးနိုင်တယ် The shop near the station is good. The shop near the station is good. Near ကအနီးနားလို့သုံးပေမဲ့ကျွန်တော်အိမ်နားမှာဆိုတာမျိုးကိုပြောချင်ရင် near မသုံးပဲ next to သုံးပါ next to me, next to my house စသဖြင့်သုံးပါ Where is the bookshop? Where is the bookshop? Where is the bookshop? It is at the street corner. It is at the street corner. ဘာကြောင့် it is at လို့သုံးလဲဆိုရင် t က verb နှလုံးကြားက t ဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက် flap t တန်ထွက်တယ် it is s က z တန်ထွက်တယ်ဒါကြောင့် it is at လို့တန်ထွက်ပြရမယ် It is at the street corner. Where do I buy cigarettes? Where do I buy cigarette? Where do I buy cigarette? I want to buy a good watch. I want to buy a good watch. Go to the department store. Go to the department store. Go to the department store. How do I get there? 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 Walk one block down this street. Walk one block down this street. What kind of jargon do you like? What kind of jargon do you like? How much is this jargon? How much is this jargon? အပြန်လှန်စကားပြောတဲ့အခါအာမေရိကန်လေးတွေပါလိရှိတယ်။ဒါမဲ့တယောက်နဲ့တယောက်အာမေရိကန်ချင်းတော့မတူပါဘူး။ Can you show me another one? Another one. Can you show me another one? Yes, but they are locally made. Yes, but they're locally made. There. They are go there. Yes, but they are locally made. Give me the blue one, please. Give me go. Give me. Contraction. Give me. Give me the blue one, please. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Do you like? I'll take this. 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 I will take this. How about the brown color? How about မဟုတ်ပဲ how about လို့တန်ထွက်ပြမယ် How about the brown color? Could you make it a little cheaper? Could you make it a little cheaper? Little. Could you make it a little cheaper? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, only little and not very well. Do you understand English? Do you understand English? Do you understand English? Yes, I do very well, but I can't speak it fluently. Can you speak any other language? Can you speak any other language? Can you speak any other language? Yes, I do. I can speak Japanese. Yes, I do. I can speak Japanese. Where did you learn it? Where did you learn it? Where? Where did you learn it? Where did you learn it? I learned it in the Institute of Foreign Language. Learn it in go. Learn it inလို့တန်ထွက်ပြမယ် It's very kind of you to offer me lunch. It's very kind of you to offer me lunch. It's very kind of you to offer me lunch. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? How do you like the taste? It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. Would you like some more? Would you like some more? Some more? Some more? Would you like some more? Would you like some more? No more. Thanks. I'm full. Would you like some more? No more. Thanks, I'm full. Please make yourself at home. Please make yourself at home. Please make yourself at home. I shall never forget your hospitality. I shall never forget your hospitality. You're always joking. You're always joking. You're always joking. Always joking. Consonant to consonant. B နဲ့ B လိုက်တဲ့အခါအခရာတွင်တ တတန်ထွေးပြရမယ်အခရာမတူဘူးဆိုရင်တစ်ချိန်ထဲမှာ B နှစ်တန်ကိုထွေးပြရမယ် You're always joking. You're always joking. Maybe the line is busy. Maybe the line is busy. Perhaps the phone is out of order. Perhaps the phone is out of order. Perhaps the phone is out of order. Please try again. Please try again. I'm sorry that I can't hear you at all. I'm sorry that I can't hear you at all. I'm sorry that I'm sorry that I can't hear you at all. ဟုတ်ကဲ့ဒီဗီဒီယိုရဲ့လိုအပ်ချက်နဲ့စမြပြမှုတွေကိုဝေဖန်ပြီးနီလန်ကြံငယ်တွေပေးဖို့တောင်းဆိုရဗျဒီဗီဒီယိုနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးမိတ်ဆွေရဲ့သဘောထားကိုသိပြရစေကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်